do a cut here. Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Craftsman 9 amp hour single bevel compound miter saw with the stand. Guys, this is on sale, on clearance, not on sale, it's on clearance for $49, just under $50, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform my subscribers and likes. Single bevel compound miter saw, 7 1/4 spindle lock, so we adjustable laser system. We got single bevel knob, heavy duty steel stand. We got horizontal D handle, 9 amp motor. We got max cross cut capacity up to 11/2, 4 1/4, 9 miter detent stops. Basically, the instruction manual doesn't really help any at all. It's really hard. Doesn't even tell you the pieces that you're supposed to put in there. Anyways, you basically get the longer pieces and just put them together. Get the ones with the 2 holes, those legs with the 2 holes on each side, and just get the longer pieces, the middle pieces, and just line them up like so, and just, you know, add 2 legs on them basically. Like I said, add the legs that have the 2 holes on each side. And I did get the longer pieces first, and that's how I managed to get this done. So get the longer pieces, you know, put 2 legs on them, and then you're gonna put the shorter pieces connected to those longer pieces there, and then you kind of have to line up the holes. And if they don't fit, you're gonna have to overlap it, you know, over the other steel, or, you know, put it on the other side of the steel. So in case it, you know, if it doesn't fit or anything, so like I did right there, you have to, if it doesn't fit, you kind of have to play with it, you know, put it in the inside or put it in the outside basically until it fits. And the instructions don't say this clearly, so you kind of have to figure it as you go. What you do is you put in a screw, one of those with the square tabs in there, and then you put a lock washer, and then you just put a regular washer, and then you're gonna put the nut. So that's basically the step for all of these. Alright, so you're gonna put the bottom piece of the legs, and then you're gonna put one of these bars. Obviously the longer piece is the longer piece on the longer side, and the short piece on the, you know, short side. And like I said, instructions didn't tell you the letters or anything, so I kind of have to figure this by myself. You know, it's just common sense. Longer pieces stick with the longer side, short pieces stick with the shorter side. And yeah, you do have to kind of play around with it with one hand and then put it in there with the other until you get it right. So I'm going to demonstrate here how I did it. So I just put that in there like so, and then just get the other piece, put it in there, and then just hold it with the other hand, and then just put your lock washer in there, and then your regular washer, and then your nut. Basically, as you hold it with one hand, and you hold on those washers with the fingers too. So, like I said, you kind of have to play with it until you get it right. And then make sure you tie them up pretty good. I ended up actually getting tired of doing it with this wrench, so I ended up getting an impact driver and just tying it up with the impact driver. So, because there's, you know, there's a few of them in there. There's 2 for each leg, or each connect, or each right here at the end. So I'm just gonna have to line them up. Well, you got the miter saw. with the clamp, set it on the back here, clamp it there by squeezing. You got the clamps on the sides. These are the clamps that go in here. And then you got the bars. In case you're gonna set this in a work table or something. This one's the bevel. This right here. It's already locked in. You probably want to screw this with the hand, it's plastic. You guys do see the laser? We have 2 short ones and 2 long ones. I'm gonna put the long ones on the front. Yep. The long ones on the front and the short ones in the back. Alright, we're gonna clamp it right there. As you guys do see, we're gonna try to do a cut. Most likely it will not do a cut like this. Let's try it out. Alright, so this is in the back. So this is, we're gonna put it right at 0. Alright, let's try to do a cut here. You're gonna cut out of the saw. It's gonna be a 2x4 basically. All right, we got a 2x4 pressure treated. Let's see if it's square. Yeah, it's not square out of the, well, it's close but not that close, so we still gotta square this off. We gotta adjust it. Guys, whenever you're gonna get these miter saws, make sure you guys square them up. You know, this piece of board might be warped too, so let's do another cut here. Yeah, we're gonna have to square this off. Yeah, where you adjust it is this bottom piece right here. Alright, what I did is I got a drill. You guys see the red plastic there? To get it squared, this was really off, so I had to get a drill and just drill a little bit on the right side so I can square this to the 0. And this is right on, so that's where I put it. I actually had to move this plastic piece all the way to the left, and it didn't do it with the, you know, the holes it came with, wider holes in there, so we could you know, get a better 0 on this and get a better 90-degree on this. Now, what do I think about this miter saw? Well, basically, if you're a DIY, you don't want to spend a lot of money, and you're gonna get a deal like this for $49. I think this is a great deal. Jump on it. SAP, if you're doing baseboards, you're doing, you know, smaller you know, stuff around doghouse or something like that. 2x4s is fine. But if you're gonna be doing, if you're a professional, if you're gonna be cutting, I wouldn't bother getting something like this. I would bother, you know, I would get at least a 10-inch miter saw or a 12-inch miter saw. But the, you know, a more decent brand. But yeah, like I said, for the DIY for $50, definitely go for it. For $100, I would not get it. So just thought I want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.